Once upon a time, there was this really attractive girl, and her name was Lexi. She worked at the local bank, and every day she would interact with hundreds of customers, most of which were guys. Lexi has been doing this for years, and every day, like clockwork, a large percentage of the guys that she would interact with hit on her. But this has been going on as far back as middle school, and Lexi is no stranger to attention. In fact, due to a psychological bias called the halo effect, Lexi has actually had a much easier life than other girls who didn't win the good looks lottery. Now Lexi, due to all of the attention that she receives daily, believes that she can pretty much choose any guy that she wants. Now meet Bob. Bob has been coming into the bank every week to cash his check, and he has had a crush on Lexi for the entire time that he has been coming. The problem is that Bob is too scared to tell her. Then one day, Bob finally works up enough courage to ask Lexi to the movies. But when he walks into the bank, a guy named Bill is standing at Lexi's window, doing exactly what Bob has waited years to do. Lexi says yes, and Bob ends up losing his crush forever. The truth is, even if Bob would have got there and asked her before Bill did, Lexi still would have told Bob no. And the reason why is because Bob is hiding a secret about himself that only he knows. Any girl with average looks receives attention from guys on a daily basis, but this pretty much never happens to guys because girls are taught from a young age that the man is the one who is supposed to approach the girl. And in most cultures, girls who approach men or show them attention like this are viewed poorly by society, which is why it is rare for girls to behave like this. And as a result, many guys have low confidence because they're not the ones getting hit on countless times per day. This is the secret that Bob is hiding from the world. What I'm about to tell you will forever change how you view the world. And if you're anything like Bob, this could be the one piece of advice that changes everything for you. Everything you are as a person and everything you do is a result of beliefs that you hold inside of your head right now. Therefore, if you change your beliefs, you change your life, how you interact with girls, and how you take on the world. Most of our beliefs are formed in childhood, and Bob is no different. Somewhere during Bob's childhood, he formed the belief that he is not enough, and he has carried this belief ever since. But get this, according to simple psychology, our brains are constantly scanning our environment and experiences for clues that confirm our existing beliefs, while actively filtering out all information that goes against them. Since Bob holds the belief that he is not enough for any girl, his brain actively looks for clues that confirm this belief, even if it's completely false. When Bob encounters an attractive girl at the store and she's rude to him, his brain uses that data to confirm his belief that he is not enough, which actually strengthens his false belief and further reduces his confidence. Bill, on the other hand, is different because Bill has always assumed that girls just love him, especially the attractive ones. So whenever Bill interacts with a girl who is rude to him, he just assumes that she's having a bad day and he thinks nothing else of it. Bob is exactly the type of guy that girls aren't attracted to. Bill is the type of guy that girls would consider to be an excellent catch in a large ocean of men. And get this, the one and only reason why Lexi chose Bill over Bob comes down to the beliefs of each man. But here's the plot twist. Bob is actually a far better catch than Bill in terms of finances, physical looks, and on pretty much every other level. But because of this silly little belief he has had since childhood, he actually believes that he's not a good catch for any girl, which causes him to behave in a way that confirms this belief. To change your life, you must first change your beliefs about yourself. Then you must set out into the world and collect data to confirm these new beliefs, as if your life depended on it, because it does. Simply believe that you're good looking, and your brain will actually start to look for evidence in the external world to confirm this belief. And the more evidence that you gather to confirm this belief, the stronger it will become over time. But it all starts with planting that new belief or seed, and taking action and interacting with the world and gathering evidence is how you grow and solidify your new belief, thus forever changing how you interact with girls and how much success you're able to achieve in life. But remember that every new belief always starts out very weak and unstable, and it's your job to make sure that it grows into a strong one. It was Conor McGregor who said, "My success isn't a result of arrogance, it is a result of belief." Strong self-confidence starts with a simple belief. Getting better at interacting with girls also starts with a belief. Nothing in life is possible if we do not first believe it to be possible. And with that said, Until next time, thanks for watching.